Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to start off with priming my lids with some Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 13 and using a Morphe M173 brush to blend it out. And then I'm using the Violets by Juvia's Place and I'm going in that dark purple with a Morphe M321 brush. And then I'm just like packing it in my outer crease. And then like my transition area, I'm just packing it and it's going to be very sloppy. Like you can do this part very sloppy. It doesn't have to be neat at this point because we're just going to blend and tap all of that out anyway. And then I'm going into the Warrior 3 with a Morphe M332 brush. And then I'm just taking that purple and I'm blending just the top part out. So like that harsh like purple line won't be there. This is gonna be sloppy as well. So I'm just blending that purple into the dark purple, just right on the top part of my eye, like right by the eyebrow. But still leaving some space because I'm gonna put another color on top of that purple. I'm going into the Douce and I'm going into this pink with a Morphe M504 brush, and then I'm just tapping this pink on, just tapping it right around where the purple is, like into the purple, but like right by the, like above the, where that purple is, like slightly touching the brow. And then we're just tapping it. This could be sloppy as well because you could always wipe the makeup off. You just want to make sure that these colors blend in together. And anytime you're doing a dark color, you always want to blend it out, the outside with the light color. So if you're doing like a dark purple, do pink or a light purple. And now I'm just taking a makeup wipe and wiping off my crease because I'm about to cut it now. I'm also wiping eyeshadow that is in front of the brow because you don't want eyeshadow in front of your brow area, like right where the nose is. You don't want eyeshadow there. I got a new Louise base, so I'm going to use this one. It's in the shade Rumour 0. It's a completely white base. I'm going to take my Morphe M167 brush and make a perfect half circle on my lid, and then just make a perfect crease. The trick to a perfect cut crease is to coat the brush and then just draw a circle. That's all I can really say. And then I'm gonna just take a Morphe M173 brush and rub that out, because this P. Louise base can get tacky and patchy if you don't rub that excess product off. And so I just use this brush to get it off for me. And then I'm going into the Tribe by Juvia's Place with a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just packing on this lime green onto the crease. And then I'm going back in the Warrior 3 and I'm taking a BH Cosmetics brush and I wet the brush. And this is just like a blue silvery glitter shadow. And I'm just putting that on the outer part of the crease in the middle. And this is gonna be what makes it like the ombre effect. And then I'm going into like this green shimmer with a BH Cosmetic brush. I might have to throw these away because they weren't really packing on the shimmer like I wanted it to. So I took my finger and I just kind of blended them together with some glitter on my hand. And then I'm gonna take the Glow Up Academy glitter in the shade Disco. Use some duo glue and pack the glitter on. This is Kiki Adams. This is her makeup line, Glow Up Academy, the one that does like the real cool cut creases and like change the way I do my makeup. She's really cool, black owned company. And then I'm gonna just take some Sephora liquid liner with some tape, of course, and just line my eye. And then I'm going to, with all of that I just did, I'm going to do it with the other eye. And then I'm going to put on my lashes from AliExpress. And then I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'm really getting in there and wiping everything away. This is why I do my face last, because glitter falls out, pigment falls out on my eyes. Like, just do your eyes first, then your face. You will save so much more time, especially if you do dramatic eyeshadow looks like I do. And then I'm going to use the Farsali Primer. I'm telling y'all, you all need this Skin Tune primer from Farsali. Like, it's life-changing. And then I learned this trick from Jackie Aina, taking some powder, pressing it into the skin after you prime it. It really does make your makeup stay matte longer. And I just use my Lower Mercier deep powder, and then I'm wiping away the excess with a Real Techniques brush. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline foundation. And I'm taking All Nighter spray and a Morphe M707 3/4 brush to wipe it around my face. I don't know why Morphe named it this. I just got this a few days ago from Morphe, but I like it. It's real nice. And I'm going to spray my face with All Nighter spray and then let it dry for a little bit, and then blend it out with the Morphe M444 brush. This is a way you get some longevity out your foundation. It really does work. Like, I've been learning a lot, y'all. And then I'm taking the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade J13, putting that on my finger so it can get kind of warm, rubbing it out with a Morphe M173 brush. And I'm just kind of like spreading it out a little bit. I'm not really working into the skin, because then I'm going to take the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade J15 and just put this one's brighter, so I'm just putting a little bit directly under my eye, and then I'm going to rub that out with the Morphe, another Morphe M144 brush. You all know the brush I'll be using. It's a tongue twister. So I couldn't find my contour kit, so I'm going into the ABH Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going into Cypress Umber. Didn't know it was gonna be that dark, so I'm just blending that brown out with a Real Techniques brush, and then I'm reverse contouring with some banana powder. And then this is just a trick you could do when you don't have a contour kit, or you don't really want to get one. Just use some dark brown shadow. Just use a little bit though, because you don't want to end up like me and then be like, have a dark spot on your nose. But I blended it out, did reverse contour, and now it's good. And then I'm just gonna put some Lower Mercier powder on my face, and see, look, you couldn't even tell that I just used eyeshadow. It's a nice contoured nose. My Milani blush, the only blush I use, because I don't know, I'm scared to use other blushes. I might pick up some orange ones, because people keep telling me orange looks good on black girls. And then I'm using the ABH Aurora palette, and I'm putting on some highlight. And then I'm taking this pink, putting it in my waterline with a Morphe M213 brush. I didn't get to film it, but I used the Better Than Sex waterproof mascara on my lower lash line. And then I'm taking this shimmer from the Tribe palette, and I'm putting that in my inner tear duct just to give myself some highlight on my eyes. I'm lining my lips with a brown lip liner, and then I'm gonna put on the Juvia's Place lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. I think this is in the shade Kiss Me. I did a swatch on the new Juvia's Place lip glosses. I'll put that in the description box below, and it's just the video before this one, so you can go check that out if you want to. And then I'm taking the Morphe mattifying spray and I'm just spraying my face. Make sure you do a test spray of this before you spray it on your face. But this is the finished look. I hope you all like it. Please thumbs up this video. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'm so close to 600 subscribers. If you all could just help me get there, thank you so much. I'll really appreciate it. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.